Hi everyone, welcome back to the Ranger Shop. So this is a part 2 of my headlight and tail light video. But in this video I want to cover the fit and the finish of the lights. We'll talk about that a little bit. Okay, so let's start on the backlights. So you can see how tight they are here, all the way around. There's no gap, which I like. It means that the light's pretty good quality, the way that it fits. The one downside I'd say to this is the gap in between here, the tailgate and this light. You can see it's a little bit larger gap than the factory ones. I guess that's just so that it won't break though, but you can see even here near the top. See that little bit of a gap there? See how far back it's set from the actual box? So they're both the same, both sides. Similar idea. But I do really like the finish. It's very tight. There's not big gaps where the light itself would be a different shape than the body. Okay, let's check out the front headlights, and again, same thing. You can see they're tight. They fit in nice and tight all the way around. There's no gaps. Just like it was built for there. That's the way it looks with no light on right now. So these bulbs they're the standard halogen bulbs. They're not LEDs. The LED is just this ring that's around here. That's LED. And also on the side, there's a couple LED bulbs that come on here for marker lights. And then this is just a normal standard signal light, just like our normal Rangers would have. Okay, let me show you here at nighttime what it looks like. Because I love this part here that lights up, this big C here. It makes it look more like the Toyota Tundras, all the new trucks, even the Fords. They've got that kind of outlining light there.